Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. Your resume.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Your name?
My name is Shivani, ma'am.
Okay, Shivani, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. What about you?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you. Where are you from, Shivani?
I'm from Narayanpet district, ma'am.
Okay, introduce yourself, Shivani.
My name is Shivani, ma'am. I'm from Narayanpet district. My educational qualifications, my post-graduation in the stream of MSc at University College of Science, Shatavahana University. I did my degree at Government Degree College, Tandur, Vikarabad district in the stream of MPC. And I did my intermediate at Shraddha Junior College for Girls in the stream of MPC at Mahbub Nagar. My schooling, I completed at Navinadesha Convent High School, Kodangal. And also coming to my technical skills, I'm good at Core Java, manual testing and automation testing. And coming to my strength, to be self-honest and also self-motivated. And coming to my short-term goal, to get a job at reputed company. That's all about me, ma'am.
Okay, what are your strengths?
Strengths to be honest and self-motivated.
Okay, core Java and testing, right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is mean by manual and automation testing?
Manual testing, the testing the application manually directly through the human interaction directly through an application is called as a manual testing. And also automation testing, testing the application with the help of automation tools like Selenium is called as an automation testing. Selenium will perform the testing with the help of automation scripts which are developed by the testers. It is called as an automation testing.
Okay, what are the uses of software testing?
The use of software testing are to produce quality, to find the initial defects, save the money, save the time. That's the use of software testing.
Okay, what is error?
Mistakes done by the developer while writing the code is called as an error.
Okay, what is defect?
While testing the application, if there is a deviation between actual values to the expected values, this is called as a defect.
Failure.
The defect which is found by client at real-time environment is called as a failure.
What is bug?
The mistakes which are accepted by developer is called as a bug.
Okay, what is waterfall model?
Waterfall model is one type of incremental model. It is best suitable for small size of projects. When client requirements are very clear, then we will go for waterfall model. It is a step-by-step process. The developing an application is not incorporated. In this, only validation is applicable and no verification. The advantages of waterfall model are easy to execute and it is only suitable for small size of projects, and the disadvantages are it is not suitable for big size of projects, and next these are not incorporated.
Okay, what is verification?
Verification, before developing an application, verifying the various documents at various stages is called as an verification.
What is validation?
Validation, after developing an application, checking whether it is working according to the client requirement or not is called as an validation.
Okay, what is the review and its types?
Review, verifying the same document again and again is called as an review. Repeated as technical review, design review and code review. The types of reviews are of two types, formal review and informal review. Testing the application without with using standard procedures is called as an formal review. Informal review, testing the application without any standard procedures is called as an informal review.
Okay, what is alpha testing?
Alpha testing, testing the application by domain experts, company environment is called as an alpha testing.
What are the types of functional testing?
The types of functional testing are smoke and sanity, retesting and regression testing, and next positive and negative, formal testing, ad hoc in that pair, buddy, and next monkey, and next database integration and database value. These are the functional testing.
Okay, what is non-functional types?
The types of non-functional testing are of security, load, performance, and next localization, globalization. Those are the
Okay, what is beta testing?
testing the application by client in the real-time environment is called as a beta testing.
What is defect severity and defect priority?
The impact or severity of the defect, order of reporting defects are fixed through the developer is called as an defect priority. Defect priority can be done by developer.
Okay. Yeah, okay, Shivani. As of now, we are done with this round. Okay, we will get back to you.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Thank you.